How is isotope analysis used in archaeology? Have you ever wondered how scientists can tell what ancient people ate or where they traveled? One of the tools they use is isotope analysis. This method studies the ratios of different isotopes, which are variants of elements that have different numbers of neutrons. By analyzing these isotopes in materials found at archaeological sites, researchers can learn a lot about past human behavior and environments. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different atomic masses. In archaeology, stable isotopes like carbon-13 and nitrogen-15 are commonly examined. These isotopes do not decay over time, making them reliable for understanding diet and environmental conditions. On the other hand, radiogenic isotopes, such as carbon-14, are used for dating organic materials. When archaeologists analyze remains, they often focus on hard tissues like bones and teeth. These materials preserve well over time. In some cases, soft tissues like hair may also be studied if they are well preserved. The isotopic composition of human and animal tissues reflects the food and water consumed during their lives. This principle is often summarized by saying, "You are what you eat." One of the main applications of isotope analysis is dietary reconstruction. By examining the stable isotopes of carbon and nitrogen in remains, researchers can infer ancient diets. For example, carbon isotopes help distinguish between plants that use different photosynthetic pathways. Nitrogen isotopes indicate the amount of animal protein consumed. This allows scientists to reconstruct what people ate, including the balance between plants and meat. Another important use of isotope analysis is in mobility and provenance studies. Isotopes like strontium and oxygen found in teeth and bones can reflect the geological and climatic characteristics of the regions where individuals lived. By comparing these isotopic signatures with local environmental baselines, archaeologists can determine whether individuals were local or non-local to a site. This reveals patterns of migration, trade, or population movement. Isotope analysis also helps in environmental and ecological reconstruction. By studying isotopes in faunal remains or sediments, researchers can uncover past environmental conditions such as climate and vegetation types. This information helps contextualize human activity within changing environments. Radiocarbon dating, based on the decay of carbon-14, is a fundamental isotope method for establishing the age of organic archaeological materials. This technique provides a timeline for archaeological sites and artifacts. For isotope analysis to be effective, it is essential to understand the archaeological context. Collaboration between archaeologists, chemists, and anthropologists ensures that isotopic data are interpreted meaningfully. This interdisciplinary approach allows isotope analysis to contribute effectively to broader archaeological questions about past human life. In summary, isotope analysis is a powerful tool in archaeology that provides direct evidence about ancient diets, mobility, environmental conditions, and chronology. By studying the chemical signatures preserved in archaeological materials, researchers can gain a clearer picture of past human societies.